Hey yo, what is up everybody? This is your Niranjan Iyengar aka God's Demon and I welcome you all to my God's Demon channel. A happy morning to you all first of all. So in this vlog today, I'm gonna talk my personal view about 7 sad truths of a girl's life. You heard it right guys. 7 sad truths of a girl's life. We might have underestimated them in certain point. We might have not taken care of the truths in certain point of our life, and we might not be able to see sometimes what exactly the truths are, even though if it is happening in front of our eyes. So in this video I'm gonna put light on those 7 truths and make sure that you make a girl around you happy all the time. So let's go. So let's see the truth now. The very first truth of a girl's life, what she goes through is this one. If a girl is silent, that means she is dying from inside, guys. You heard it right. This is a utter and foremost important truth. If a girl is silent, she is dying from inside. So many of us, when we see a silent girl sitting in one corner, or when she's less talkative to someone close to her, or less talkative towards her friends, usually what we do, we just tease her, criticize her, saying that she's a bit shy type of a girl, man. Yeah, she's a bit shy type of a girl, or she's having a lot of attitude. She's not at all talking with me. She's having a lot of attitude. We just gossip it around in such a way that it spoils the impression of the girl, guys. But one thing, make sure whatever you think, it's wrong. Because if a girl is silent, she's dying from inside. That means she is going through such a phase where she's not interested to talk and deeply thinking on that issue. So if you really care for her, just go sit beside her and ask her out that what exactly happened for her silence, and make sure that you be the one to break that silence by giving a best solution for her and make her happy, to put a smiling face on that girl's face. So remember this, guys. This is the first and foremost harsh truth. Now the second truth what I'm gonna say is a common truth what we observe in our daily life, guys. The truth is, if a girl cries, she's not weak, guys. She's not weak. So this kind of situation we have seen a lot since our childhood days. From our childhood friends, we used to have girls as our childhood friends, and then we came to college life, we mingled with girls. A lot of them we have in our knowledge and on our mind, and a lot of them we have roamed about. So these girls, we have seen one thing in common right from childhood to the grown-up stage. The girl cries. That time, what exactly do we feel, guys? What exactly do we feel? That the girl is a crybaby. She's not having strength. She's weak. She can't express herself. That's the reason she's crying. But this assumption is wrong, guys. This notion is entirely wrong. Because when a girl cries, she's not weak. She's utterly depressed from inside. Just observe that. Just observe. Because girls are not weak, guys. So stop thinking the conception that a girl is weak. When she cries, she's deeply hurt from inside, from either the one she loved, or from either the one she cared, for either the one she respected. When these people hurt the girl in some way or the other, she cries. So always make sure, never think a crying of a girl to be her weakness. The third sad truth of a girl's life is, when a girl speaks slowly, or when a girl speaks less, but sometimes she speaks of very fast. When a girl speaks less, but whenever she speaks, when she speaks of very fast, that means she's keeping secrets, guys. Always observe this. So one thing here I want to tell is, don't judge a girl when she's not talking to you frequently, and whenever she's talking, she talks off very rapidly. Don't judge her to be ignorant towards you. Just remember one thing, she is having something in her mind which she doesn't want to disclose it to anyone, and she fears it to disclose it in front of you too. That's the reason she talks less, and whenever she talks, she wants to end up the conversation with you and move away from that place. That means she talks rapidly. So in that case, don't think that she's ignoring you. Just keep one thing in mind, she's having something in her mind which she can't share with you or share with anyone else out there, guys. So this is the third truth. The fourth truth you might have commonly come in your day-to-day life, that is, if a girl loves to sleep a lot, if a girl loves to sleep a lot, that means she's sad. You heard it right, guys. She is sad. A sad girl sleeps a lot. A tensed girl sleeps a lot. So, whenever she sleeps more, the girl whom you know in your life, your close friends, your best friends, or your girlfriend, whoever it might be, your sister, whoever it might be, if that girl sleeps a lot, instead of complaining on her that she's sleeping like Kumbhakaran or some big demon who used to sleep a lot in our prehistoric times, just make sure that you just observe her sadness and make sure that you make her happy first. Make sure that you talk to her directly and make sure that you share her sadness with you, and make sure you find a solution for it so that she'll become normal. Because whenever a girl sleeps a lot, she's deeply sad from inside, guys. This is a utter truth. The fifth truth is really a common thing in our nation among the couples, guys. Just observe. When the girlfriend tells the boy to leave her alone for a while, and she is extremely angry at that time. Whenever she makes that statement, she is extremely angry and tells her boyfriend or best friend to leave her alone, and the boy goes away. Sometimes this kind of situation happens, and he goes and complains to his friend that my girlfriend got so angry on me, I'm not gonna talk with her. She just told me to fuck off and buzz off from her. This is one big mistake what we guys are committing. See, the truth behind this, whenever a girl tells you to leave her alone, she needs you the most at that time, guys. She needs you the most. So make sure, instead of going away from her, instead of buzzing off from her, just you sit beside her, ask her in an affectionate way, call her through her pet name or some cute name, address her and ask her in an affectionate way that what she requires, what sadness she is having, and make sure that you support her at that time so that the trust and bonding between y'all increase in life, guys. So this is one truth. If a girl tells you to buzz off from her life, she requires you the most at that time, guys. The sixth harsh truth of a girl's life is when a girl laughs loud, haha, for whatever you say. When a girl does laugh a lot for even small things, as if she is high on some drugs, she's laughing out loud, that means she's not mad. That means she's not on any drug, marijuana or cocaine. She's deeply feeling lonely from inside, guys. You heard it right. She is lonely from inside. So whenever a girl laughs even at small things what you say, that means she's feeling lonely from inside. It's your duty, guys, to not make her feel lonely and to comfort her and to give her a good company by being there for her. Instead of calling her some maniac, some drug addict, some narcotic freak, just be along with her, support her so that she doesn't feel lonely. So this is the sixth truth. Whenever she laughs more, even at stupid things what you do, she's lonely. So take care. The seventh truth, what I would call a lovely truth, exists inside a girl, a female body, a female mind, is whenever she gets angry over silly thing what you do. You heard it right. Whenever she gets angry on silly things what you do, it doesn't mean that she's bad. It doesn't mean that she doesn't like you. It only means that she needs lots and lots of love from you guys. Lots and lots of love. So whenever a girl gets angry on silly things what you do, just remember these lines by me. She requires love and affection towards her, which she ain't have with her currently. She doesn't have anyone to love her. She doesn't have anyone to support her. These kind of girls get angry over silly things. Observe that. Make sure you love them, and whenever they shout in anger, just a small hug will be fine, will be soothing, will be comforting to them. Instead of getting angry on them again, instead of you arguing with them, just make sure you just give a hug. Just give a peaceful smile on your face. That's it. She'll feel loved and that anger will vanish. So these 7 harsh truths what I spoke about, that's 7 deadly truths of a girl's life, guys. So make sure you follow these lines and behave accordingly with them, so that your lives with girls surrounding you, your lives with your friends, with your sister, with your girlfriend, with your mother, and every other woman out there in your life will be peaceful as heaven and not rough as hell. So guys, keep watching. I'll be posting this kind of content again. So if you found it adorable, do like and subscribe, guys, and do share among your friends, and do follow what I told you. So chill out, happy morning, and have a great day, guys, unless the demon is back in next vlog. And I assure you the next vlog will be a blasting one, guys. Cheer up. Bye.